What's up, everybody? This is Joshua back at Madison Motor Works. So today we're gonna have a little short video of us changing out the rear tail lights on my 1989 Toyota pickup. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get to it. So first, we're gonna take these 4 screws out here. Slide this assembly out. The inside of them is starting to deteriorate, so they're not no good no more. You can't see when I hit the brakes, turn signals on. So let's get to it. Alright, now there'll be a clip here. And this one's out. Let's grab the new. Oh, let's see. So there's little tabs in the back to hold your screws in. Your new screws. These come with new screws. Not sure if all of them will or not. Sorry for my hand all up in the way. Running in. So that's one in. Let's make sure our tailgate shuts. Oh yeah, looks great compared to the other. Years old. Oh, y'all went for a ride. It's like these last two screws in. This one. Everything looks great. Alright, well that's it. Not a whole lot. Very simple, easy, but it made a world of difference to the way the truck works, and maybe let's see if they even light up, I guess. And there's lights. There it is. There it is. Alright. Thanks for watching. I hope it helps someone. So until next time, like and subscribe. Thanks.